There are several essential fluids that help keep your vehicle running smoothly. The acronym WASHBOATS will help you remember the 6 fluids that are your vehicle's lifeblood. Washer fluid, brake, oil, antifreeze, transmission, steering. Washer fluid. Washer fluid is used to clean the windshield and improve visibility by removing dirt, debris, and other contaminants. Check your windshield washer fluid monthly. Think of wiper fluid as a liquid detergent for your windshield. A clean windshield is an integral part of having a safe driving experience, so you will want to choose a product that works for the climate you live in. Brake fluid transfers the force from the brake pedal to the brakes, allowing you to stop or slow down your vehicle effectively. The braking system could develop a leak, causing ineffective and unsafe braking. The fluid level should be checked regularly. Engine oil lubricates the moving parts of the engine, reduces friction, and helps dissipate heat. Frequent oil changes are critical for a healthy motor. Besides the periodic oil changes, you should check your vehicle's oil level at least once a month. This is especially true if the vehicle is older and has high mileage. Coolant regulates the engine's temperature and prevents it from overheating. Antifreeze is added in colder climates to prevent the coolant from freezing. When checking the fluid level, ensure the engine is cool. Pressure in the system can cause severe burns if the coolant reservoir cap is removed when the engine is hot. Transmission fluid enables smooth shifting of gears in an automatic transmission and helps cool and lubricate the transmission components. A faulty transmission or one low on fluid may share the same symptoms. If your vehicle hesitates when your transmission shifts gears, check the transmission fluid level. Power steering fluid assists in making steering easier by transmitting hydraulic pressure in power steering systems. If your vehicle seems harder to steer than usual, the fluid level should be checked first. Your vehicle's power steering system is sealed, which means it should not lose fluid over time. If the fluid level is low, the vehicle should be inspected by a technician to find the source of the leak. Check your vehicle's owner's manual for the location of these important fluids. And always follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. Regularly checking your vehicle's fluids and addressing any issues promptly is an important aspect of vehicle maintenance, and ensures the safety, performance, and longevity of your vehicle.